जी सामने यहाँ पे है मैम यहाँ पे देखिए यहाँ पे सामने
Jackie, yeah, right side.
Here for women's drive in Labasa drive. Yeah. How would you feel you've been observing this, following this particular drive, and how encouraging this thing is like?
I think it's great. This is my second time here, and as I said even last time, I'm really honored to be here. I think it's a great initiative, and I always feel education is the best thing to create awareness, to solve problems, and cancer is a very fatal disease if you don't figure out at the right time. So I think it's a great initiative, and as I've been saying, health is wealth. So if you don't take care of your health, nothing else in life is worth it.
What's your take on this?
Yeah, like Jackie said already, it's a great cause why we are here, and I also feel very honored to be part of this because it's very important for women to take that time out and go get yourself checked, because prevention is better than cure, and cancer is a fatal disease. More importantly, women empowerment, everybody keeps talking about it, so it's nice to see a rally with women and by women, so it's interesting, and I'm very happy to be part of this event.
Being a girl and a woman, what is the message you like to convey, and what do you feel like the awareness, or what is the kind that really lack, when we talk about women empowerment and lots of other things, but then still what is the thing like?
See, honestly, I think education is very important. So it's very important that we can educate as many people as we can, especially women in rural areas who are not so exposed to whatever's happening in the society, in the real world. So I just feel education is very, very important for them to understand what's happening all around. Prevention is great, so get yourself checked. So I think this is a great cause, because then we try and tell people that you've got to get yourself checked, because every woman actually runs a house. So for them to be a little more responsible and take care of themselves is very, very important. So I think it's a great cause to be part of.
Youngest talking about women, young people, what's something about Youngest? Can you just say something about your role, and how do you really try to convey a message through your film also?
Okay, so I'm playing the character of Anvita Chauhan in the film, who's a young girl living in Japan in a live-in relationship with this boy who she's madly in love with, Abhimanyu Kaul. She's an independent girl who probably walks dogs for pocket money. She's a girl who is in love with this guy and is there to support him through thick and thin. There are certain circumstances that happen in his life because of which he has to move from Japan to India, and she stands by him. Their love story goes through a difficult ride through this whole journey that they have to take together, and how this romantic love story goes on is very interesting to see. Generally, a love story has a villain, and I think in this film it has to be politics.
Jackie,
Thank you.
One minute, one last question.